How to fix Peloton app won't let you log in. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. In the case other apps are also not working, you can fix your internet connection. For that, what you can do is open your settings, toggle on for this airplane mode. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds, toggle it off. Likewise, another thing you can do is switch your mobile network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and in the case you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Update the app. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app Peloton. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings, scroll down, head towards the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage. Now from here, find the app Peloton. Once you find it, open it. You'll see the option of Upload app. Click on it. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Once you upload the app, click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, apply solution 4. Completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. With that, app will be deleted. Once you delete this app, open your App Store, search for the app Peloton and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Peloton app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.